Hi, and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Lokesh, and I am part of the OnceHub support team. Today, I am going to show you how to edit and customize your calendar events so that you can include any required fields directly in the calendar event. This is especially useful if you ask certain questions in your booking form and you want that information to appear directly in the calendar event for yourself or the guest. By customizing your calendar events, you can ensure your meetings are organized, professional, and contain all the details you need upfront before the meeting. Now let's get started. Once you are logged in to the OneSub account, click on Booking Calendars from the left sidebar. It will take you to the Booking Calendars lobby, from where you can select the relevant booking calendar that you want to edit. Next, click on Notifications tab. You will then see an option that says Calendar Event. Here you can decide who gets added to the calendar invitation. You can add the host, co-host, and the guest automatically using the first option, or you can decide to exclude guest from the main calendar event. Now let's see how to customize the calendar content. To do this, you can click on Customize. Next, so you can tailor the calendar event using several options. You can add instructions, context, or any important notes by using just your keyboard, or you can use the dynamic fields, also called as variables, to insert booking data such as guest name, email, phone number, or responses to your booking form questions. You can also add meeting data, for example, title, date, time, or location, or reschedule link if needed. Once you are done with the changes, you will simply need to click on Save, and this will be applied to all the future bookings that will be made using this booking calendar. A few best practices include key booking form responses directly in the calendar event to save time during the meetings. For example, you can click on variables and add the booking form transcript to the booking calendar event. This will show you all the data that your client have filled in while creating the booking. Even if certain guests are excluded from the main event, they can still receive all the necessary information through the OneSub confirmation emails. And that's it about the calendar events. By customizing your calendar event, you can make sure your meetings are organized, detailed, and professional. This feature is perfect for internal notes, panel interviews, or any meetings where your team needs context upfront. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next OneSub tutorial.